Dear students, you are welcome in RK Institute and I am Dr. RK Saini. In previous lecture, we discussed some basic concept of thermodynamics, particularly first law of thermodynamics, and we derived some important formulas like as work, pressure, volume, work. First law of thermodynamics, exchange of heat energy and work involved. And definition of enthalpy. Definition of enthalpy. And molar heat capacity. And molar heat capacity. Molar heat capacity. Now we calculate these parameters in different thermodynamic processes. First of all, we taken isothermal process. First of all, we take an isothermal process. Isothermal process. In isothermal process, temperature remains constant and hence change in temperature is zero. In case of ideal gas, their internal energy depends only upon the temperature and hence change in internal energy of ideal gas is zero. Similarly, change in enthalpy is also zero. Change in enthalpy is also zero because delta H equals to N Cp delta T, and no change in temperature and has no change in their enthalpy change as well as internal energy change, and hence according to first law of thermodynamics we know that delta U 0, therefore heat equals to work involved during the thermodynamic process. In case of expansion, work is negative, therefore system absorbs equal amount of heat. In case of compression, work is positive, therefore system lost heat equal to work of compression. Therefore we calculate work, and work is equals to exchange of heat energy with opposite sign. Yes, first of all we discuss work done by the gas. वर्क डन बाय गैस का मतलब होता है एक्सपेंशन वर्क. वर्क डन बाय द गैस मीन्स एक्सपेंशन टेक्स प्लेस, देयरफॉर साइन ऑफ W इज नेगेटिव. सेकेंडली, वर्क डन ऑन द गैस मीन्स कंप्रेशन टेक्स प्लेस, देयरफॉर साइन ऑफ वर्क इज पॉजिटिव, एंड हेंस इन केस ऑफ एक्सपेंशन वर्क डन बाय द गैस or system, or in case of compression work done on the gas, therefore sign positive, and hence in case of isothermal process we calculate work and then identify exchange of heat energy with the help of work. Now we derive formula of work in reversible and in irreversible process in case of isothermal process. Isothermal. Simple formula of work is P external delta V, where negative sign is IUPAC, conventional sign of work in chemistry. In case of irreversible, this formula is used for expansion or compression in both. In previous class, we clarify this formula is applicable for both expansion or compression, reversible or irreversible, and then we change this formula on the basis of requirement of the question. The process is reversible or irreversible. For example, in case of irreversible, what do you mean by irreversible? It is a sudden process. In which external pressure remains constant, and or we can say gas expand against external constant pressure. Therefore, P external is constant, and hence work equals to minus P external and change in volume. Calculate with help of this formula. In case of reversible process, what do you mean by reversible process? ध्यान से सुनिए. A process in which infinitesimal difference between driving force and opposing force, then such type process are very slow process and are known as reversible process. They are also known as quasi-static. What do you mean by quasi-static? Their states are assumed to be changed, but not really changed. Assumed to be changed, and as they are quasi-static means they are false static statement. Reversible process in which P external and pressure of gas have infinitesimal difference. For example, external pressure plus change in pressure. कितना change in pressure? Infinitesimal greater. It means the external pressure is less. ध्यान से समझिए, in which external pressure is less than the pressure of gas by infinitesimal difference, and hence if external pressure less in comparison to gas, therefore expansion takes place. Secondly, if P external minus dP equals to gas, it means external pressure is infinitesimal greater than the pressure of gas, and hence compression takes place. Therefore we write P external equals to pressure of gas plus minus change in pressure. Infinitesimal difference in pressure. This pressure, external pressure plus minus means expansion, compression both can take place. Okay. Now we derive a formula for work in case of reversible process. And as W equals to minus P external, write P gas plus minus dP into dV. Now for their simplification, W equals to minus P gas dV, pressure of gas dV plus minus pressure of change in infinitesimal pressure and dV, where dP infinitesimal difference in pressure and dV infinitesimal change in volume. Therefore their product is nearly zero. And hence W equals to minus pressure of gas and dV, and the pressure of gas, ideal gas is nRT upon V into dV. In case of isothermal process, N number of moles constant, R constant and T constant, and as nRT ln V final upon V initial. This formula is used to calculate work of an ideal gas in reversible isothermal process. This formula is also written as in this form, minus nRT ln P1 upon P2, because we know that P1 V1 equals to P2 V2 in case of ideal gas. Or we also write this formula, W equals to minus 2.303 nRT log, बेस टाइम लगा दिया है, log V final upon V initial. Once again, this formula is used for reversible isothermal process in case of expansion or compression, both, because we taken pressure of gas in expansion or compression both, plus minus. Okay. Now we compare work. In isothermal process, reversible and in irreversible manner. Formula of work, W equals to minus P external and change in volume for single step system or irreversible, and work equals to minus nRT ln V final upon V initial in case of reversible. Suppose now we compare work of reversible and irreversible manner. First of all, we take an expansion process. पिस्टन इस पे लगा हुआ है पी एक्सटर्नल और यहाँ पर कोई ले रखा है टेकिंग आइडियल गैस मोल्स 1 mole ideal gas, their pressure is 2 atm and their initial volume of gas is 20 liter. We want to expansion of gas and their final volume. ये initial state of the gas and the final volume. And the final volume of gas become 40 liter. 40 liter against constant external pressure. Therefore, we calculate external pressure with help of ideal gas equation P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. Initial pressure 2 atm, initial volume 20 liter, initial final volume, we want final volume 40 liter, and as calculate final pressure. P1 V1 upon V2, therefore final pressure is 1 atm. Final pressure means external pressure taken 1 atm. Therefore the gas expand and their final volume become 40 liter. It is a sudden process. We draw a graph between pressure and volume. Initial condition of gas is 2 atm pressure and volume is 20 liter. Final volume of gas is 40 liter and the P external taking 1 atm. Therefore change in volume, ध्यान से देखिए, therefore change in volume against P external. Therefore change in volume against P external. फॉर्मूले को ध्यान से देखिए, चेंज इन वॉल्यूम अगेंस्ट पी एक्सटर्नल इक्वल्स टू वर्क. चेंज इन वॉल्यूम 10 to 20 अगेंस्ट पी एक्सटर्नल, दिस मैग्नीट्यूड इज इक्वल्स टू वर्क. देयरफॉर दिस एरिया इक्वल्स टू वर्क इन स्टेप फर्स्ट. और वी कैलकुलेट मैथमेटिकली W इक्वल्स टू माइनस पी एक्सटर्नल कितना 1 एंड चेंज इन वॉल्यूम आल्सो 20 and hence work is minus 20 liter atm, or we calculate in joule by the help of 1 liter atm nearly 100, exact value 101.3 joule. Okay, then this area or calculate mathematically in this work. Now the same expansion का मतलब initial volume 20 and final volume 40. Now same expansion carried out in two steps. For this purpose, the pressure of gas reduced by 2 atm but greater than 1 atm, and hence their volume change from 20 liter to higher but less than 40 liter. So suppose we take a pressure of 1.5 atm, therefore their volume become 30, and hence P external is 1.5 and change in volume against P external. This is work in step first. Now in step second, the initial volume of gas is 30 and final volume is 40. Therefore we require further 1 atm pressure, and hence total work is in this area and this area. Means two step work. Total work of step first and work of step second is added, and this value is greater than the single step work. We can say reversible means infinite steps. Suppose this work carried out in infinite steps. In third step, similarly in third step additional work, in fourth step then additional work, in fifth step, in sixth step, in seventh step, in eighth step, and so many steps. Therefore the final work, if infinite steps are there, then we obtain following type of graph. And this graph is a graph of reversible process in which external pressure is infinitesimal change during the process. It means final conclusion work in isothermal process in reversible manner in case of expansion is greater than the work of isothermal process in irreversible manner, and in case of expansion it means more work involved in isothermal expansion reversible process than in irreversible process. We calculate with help of graph as well as with help of given formula or derived formula. Now we consider compression work. Both formulas are used for reversible or irreversible, expansion or compression. Now we compare compression work in compression process. Taking initial condition of gas, suppose 40 liter, gas 40 liter, its pressure is 180 atm and temperature remains constant. Initial state. Then we want final volume of gas become 20 liter. Then we applied external pressure with help of simple formula P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. Initial pressure, initial volume are given, final volume are given, then calculate final pressure, and the final pressure become 2 atm. Then gas suddenly compressed and occupy their final state. When graph of this work plotted between P and V, then we obtain following type of graph. This is the volume and the pressure. The initial volume of gas is 40 liter and the initial pressure of gas is 1 atm, and hence initial state of gas is first. During the compression, its volume become 20 liter and the final pressure, external pressure is 2 atm. It is their final state. Therefore work change in volume against P external is known as work. This area is known as work. किसके बीच में? Change in volume against P external. The product in mathematical, P external and change in volume. This product equals to work. P external 2 atm, and change in volume 20. Therefore we calculate work with help of formula also. External pressure 2 atm, change in volume 10. Change in volume 20. Therefore the total work is negative compression and hence positive sign. Therefore total work is 40 liter atm. Also calculate in joule. Now this compression process means initial and final volume of gas are same and carried out in 2 steps. When this process carried out in 2 steps, then the pressure of external pressure is less than 2 atm and more than 1 atm. Taking suppose 1.5, then volume of gas reduced 40 to 30 liter, and work involved in this step is first step is change in volume against P external is the work. Now in step second, initial volume and final volume become 2 atm. Therefore the work in second step is this. Then we compare in 2-step process and in single step process. We find this value, this area is less than the initial area. It means when process carried out in 2 steps, then work on the gas is less than in single step. And hence we conclude work in isothermal compression in irreversible manner is greater than work of isothermal compression in reversible manner. Okay, the similar formula रिवर्सिबल में किस तरह का हो जाता है फॉर्मूला? देखो इधर इरिवर्सिबल के अंदर तो फॉर्मूला चेंज इन वॉल्यूम अगेंस्ट पी एक्सटर्नल, और इन केस ऑफ रिवर्सिबल मैनर we obtain following type of graph because infinite steps are there, maybe expansion or maybe compression. Infinite number of steps are there. Therefore, pressure of gas is changed infinitesimally, and hence take infinite steps for complete the work. Now we discuss a question. So remember, in isothermal process, more work involved in reversible expansion than irreversible, and in case of compression, more work involved in irreversible than in reversible. Question first. Question. 2 moles of an ideal gas participate in isothermal process in which their initial volume is 20 liter and their final volume is 40 liter, and the process is reversible, calculate work, heat energy, exchange of internal energy, change of enthalpy, as well as molar heat capacity of the gas. Process isothermal, reversible, and hence or process isothermal process system ideal gas. Therefore, change in internal energy, change in enthalpy, both are zero, and hence W equals to minus nRT ln V2 upon V1. 2 moles of gas, n की वैल्यू 2 moles of gas, R यदि अपन कैलोरी में कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं तो 2 और इन जूल में लेना चाहते हैं तो 8.3 इनटू टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट, टेम्परेचर क्या बोल रखा है कांस्टेंट, टेकिंग सम टेम्परेचर नाइट इज 300 केल्विन, टेम्परेचर 300 केल्विन, ln को रिप्लेस करने के लिए बेस लगाओ, मल्टीप्लाई करो 2.303 log V फाइनल कितना है 40 और V इनिशियल कितना था 20, देयरफॉर log 2 equals to 0.3010, and hence this amount of work done by the gas, taking negative sign means done by the gas, and similar this amount of heat absorbed by the gas during this process. Now calculate heat capacity, molar heat capacity of the gas. The formula of molar heat capacity is amount of heat absorbed by the system, आ चुकी आपके पास में, divided by n dt, that dt is 0. Therefore molar heat capacity of gas in this process become infinite. Molar heat capacity of ideal gas in isothermal process become infinite. Okay. Therefore today we discuss isothermal process, expansion, compression, derived formula, and compare magnitude of work.